Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign a child in and out using the bus feature in Kidsoft. Once this bus feature has been enabled in your service, in iCheck-in, a staff member will log in using their staff PIN, and they will then click on Buses under the Staff Actions. Select the bus, select the trip, so whether it's pick up or drop off to the child's house. Sign the child in to the bus. The guardian will then confirm that the child is hopping on the bus by entering in their phone number, followed by their PIN number, and they'll be asked to confirm or they can cancel out. This will take the screen back to the staff login, and the staff member will then sign in again using their PIN number, allowing the staff member to sign the child in on the bus. They will then click confirm, passing the device to the guardian. They will again enter in their phone number, followed by their PIN number, and click enter. And again, they can cancel out of that if necessary. Each time the guardian completes that confirm action, it will log out automatically and the staff member will need to put in their staff PIN. If the child is not on the bus, the staff member can mark that child absent by clicking absent. Coming out of the bus and they've come back to the service, again clicking on the bus, selecting the trip. They can then sign the child out of the bus. Will be asked to confirm that they have signed the child off the bus, stamping now a sign in and sign out time. Then the staff member can either click backwards and sign the children in on the device in the applicable room. Alternatively, they can switch over to Kidsoft, click on the service menu, and under the SP features, click on iCheck-in and sign the child in through Kidsoft. You may also like to look at our further additional video tutorials on our bus sign in and out feature through our YouTube channel. Thank you.